The sound of summer. This is what it sounds like. Sounds like, sounds like, sounds like. She lies on Sherman Street beside the liquor store, drinking loud.
Yeah, hey look, classic, this is far from average. Damage I'ma do, get back like ad-libs. Bastard, this a new day, mañana might not come, so we be where the cash is. Uptown, I be on my Georgia Ave shit. Knew a few dudes whipping UUs, they would crash it. Remind me of what I wanna do to the game. Niggas selling out, they telling them keep the change. It be funnel in the bamboo, humble when I have to be, cause them packs are loud. A nigga ran through famous quote from Jay-Z. Nigga, you broke, what the fuck is you gon' tell me? I won't give you a reason to doubt when the heater is out. What's beef with no season to ouch? The truth hurts when you and I be the one to put you in the new hearse go.
The sound of summer. This is what it sounds like. Sounds like, sounds like, sounds like. She lies on Sherman Street beside the liquor store.
Yeah. Here it go. Look, Benji got the bamboo, we don't smoke Dutches. 2 SKs under the arm like crutches. Early high tracks equivalent to a shot A. Be on the beat so you know that it's ready rock. Classic, this is far from average. Half of them niggas hate when we ain't around them. Around them, nothing they say, they feel summer. July in the clip, August under the bumper. Quab on the way and he bout to bring Gordo. Got a master plan to kick, make more dough. Niggas be like, well, we don't hang no more. You changed, goddamn, you ain't the same no more. But we was broke before, now I'm chasing dough. If you ain't on when I'm on, I don't hate you, Joe, so stop. And if it makes sense, let's make dollars and make some more. Let's go.
The sound of summer. This is what it sounds like. Sounds like, sounds like, sounds like. She lies on Sherman Street beside the liquor store.
Yeah, nigga, I be the flyest in the city, probably be the highest in the city. Marley and me, we don't smoke Ziggies. Bamboo strictly, party with me when you in my city. Bet you see who run it, come fuck with me. Oddly, I'm a witty individual from the uptown side of the city. Rocksmith the denim, body in the game with us spitters, spitting in the face of you critics. Are we in the same category? For that to be possible, woulda had to have the same story. Thought it was the pain and the glory that brought us together. I guess it was cheddar and the hoarding, support on our habits, even what the hoes need. I shed one tear like Denzel and Glory, but after me there will be none, even though there was plenty before me.
This is what it sounds like. Sounds like, sounds like, sounds like. This is what it sounds like. Sounds like, sounds like, sounds like.